Vice President Constantino Chiwenga versus Chamisa. Who can protect Zimbabwe's constitution from the 2030 faction? Salamana mashoka mdatogwa panapa in analysis by Isaac Makomichi. Achuya achikometa pamusoro pe these two our most liked individuals and powerful our politicians munyika yeZimbabwe. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team his analysis. Makomichi anobudanyira chiti. It's good for Chamisa to come back into politics, but VP Chiwenga is the real deal. When we talk about Zimbabwe, we are talking about a nation rich in minerals, with the soil good for farming and great places for tourism. What we want as a nation is not to change the political party, but to have a leader who will tackle crime and believes in clean governance when he becomes president. Chamisa might be young and looking energetic, but that's not enough. It's about having the capacity to stop Zvigananda. If it wasn't for VP Chiwenga, by now, the constitution could have been changed months ago. And my question is, where was Chamisa? Did you hear Chamisa opposing it? No, he doesn't oppose it. He always says, we should start by solving the 2023 election case. But one thing for sure is that ZVAITWA announced the results, saying it won, and no one can oppose it. It's a story of the past, so Chamisa is selling you lies. The only thing we need now is a person willing to do anything to protect the constitution, and that person is only VP Chiwenga. He demanded arrest of Zvigananda and always speak against corruption publicly. As Zimbabweans, we should place our hope in VP Chiwenga. He has the capacity to protect the constitution, which Chamisa doesn't have. According to Chamisa, he always claims he stole 2 elections from him. So my question is, if he can watch while elections are being stolen from him, then can he be able to protect the constitution from the 2030 faction that wants to change the constitution? That's food for thought. Thomas Kwanoyatogwa panapa in analysis by Makomichi muri Zimbabwe. Panguva ino kuri kuonekwa kunzi pane vakomana vari prominent who are rising zvinofarirwa nevanhu VP Constantino Chiwenga naRigo Nelson Chamisa. People they are questioning nekuzvibvunza kuti ndeupo kunyazi kusapota, ndeupo kunyazi kutemba. Imwe chipopi nekumene section medu mbotudzwa kuti munoti kudii, ndiani womufunga kuti angwasa kudefenda aiwa constitution yenyika yeZimbabwe nokuisa nyika yeZimbabwe to prosperity. Pana comment section medu mudza mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like up or turn on the bell icon.